Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trigger Kraken earbuds. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. This ensures a smooth pairing process without interruptions. Next, take both earbuds out of their charging case. They should automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Finally, activate Bluetooth on the device you wish to connect them to, preparing it for the connection. Once out of the case, your Trigger Kraken earbuds should automatically enter pairing mode. You'll typically see a flashing LED light on one of the earbuds, signaling they are ready to be discovered. If they don't enter pairing mode automatically, simply press and hold the touch control area on both earbuds for about 3 seconds. This action will manually initiate the pairing sequence. Now, on your device, navigate to its Bluetooth settings. You should see Trigger Kraken appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this name to initiate the connection. Your device might ask for confirmation or display a pairing request. Accept this prompt, and your earbuds should then connect successfully, ready for use. A voice prompt or solid light often confirms the connection. If you encounter any issues, first try toggling your device's Bluetooth off and then back on. This often resolves minor connection glitches. Another helpful step is to reset the earbuds by placing them back into their charging case for about 10 seconds, then removing them again. Also, ensure no other devices are currently paired or trying to connect to your Trigger Kraken earbuds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.